Alright, guys, it's your girl Chichi, aka Mommy Ella. Hello, everybody. So, I had to come out to eat. Yes, so I arrived at ShopRite opposite that NIN office at Ikeja just to buy something to put in my tummy because I haven't eaten since. I was already hungry, very hungry, right? That my tummy was biting me. So, I have to take a stroll. But still, I find myself getting fat. Even when I do 2 square meal per day. Why? Eh? Oh, wow. Is well. Because I don't want to get fat too. Alright. So I was looking out for what to get, what to buy. But I later found where to buy something. Yeah. Okay. Finish. So, did not use it. I did not use this. This, I will take it home. Yes. I'll use it to eat yam. Home. Don't worry. If you take me out, I will not waste your money. I will finish everything. Everything. You're not going to remain. Everything. Everything. I will finish it. This one is going home with me. Yes. Oh. I decided to eat. I'm hungry. So I need to eat. Come and join me. Come and join me. My family is. Abi, you will not eat with me. Oh, yeah, take. Take now. You don't want to eat rice. So, do you know that when I called to tell the person that, okay, oh, they said I should come back because after submitting my this thing, after submitting my BVN that they asked me to go and get, they captured me and everything. Then they told me to come back on Friday for collection. I said okay. Then I went outside. When I went outside, I was about going. I don't remember that. The person that made me do this thing, I've not even called. That's the person that works at the NIN office. I've not called to tell the person thank you that I'm going, and I'll quickly called to tell the person that I'm going. All for him to say that, oh, please don't go yet. I should hold on for the collection. Can you imagine? Ah, God. Can you imagine? Listen, I've been struggling to get this thing since. So I'm supposed to collect it today. So in the process of holding on, I was hungry and I said, let me come outside to eat. That was how there's no place actually, that side, there's no place for you to get food there, no place. So I had to come to ShopRite here. That was why I came to ShopRite to get something to eat. Okay? So I will offer you again Have it. Ah, woo. For some people that don't like, I know some people will say no. Chicha, I don't want to eat rice, so I don't want to eat jollof rice. Oh, yeah, take chicken. We eat chicken. I know you like chicken. Me too, I like chicken though. Ella loves chicken. Alright, I'm going to prepare something special for her by the time she'll come back from school. So once I collect, I'll just rush home before she comes back, okay? So let me continue my meal. Thank you.